कोविड 19 महामारी को लेकर भारत समेत दुनिया के कई देशों में लॉकडाउन लगाया गया था। भारत में 4 चरण के लॉकडाउन के बाद अनलॉक 1 का ऐलान किया। इस लॉकडाउन और कोविड 19 महामारी को लेकर कांग्रेस नेता राहुल गांधी वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए अलग अलग क्षेत्रों के एक्सपर्ट से चर्चा करते रहे हैं। 4 जून को राहुल गांधी ने देश के जाने माने उद्योगपति राजीव बजाज से वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के जरिए बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा तो विश्व युद्ध के दौरान भी नहीं हुआ था कि पूरी दुनिया लॉकडाउन हो जाए। इस दौरान राहुल गांधी ने कहा कि गरीब और प्रवासी लोगों ने इस महामारी के दौरान भरोसा ही खो दिया है, जो भारत के लिए खतरनाक है।
It's quite surreal. I mean, I don't think anyone imagined that the world would be locked down in this way. I don't even think during the World War, the world was locked down. I think even then things were open. So it's a unique and devastating sort of phenomenon. And the shocking thing to me, frankly, the point you made about the bittersweet. Look, well-off people can deal with this type of a situation. They live at home. They have a ecosystem which is comfortable. But what it's been for the poor people, for migrants, it's completely devastating. They've lost confidence actually. काफी लोगों ने मुझे बोला कि बिल्कुल भरोसा खो गए हैं, भरोसा ही नहीं बचा. And that I think is a very sad thing and a dangerous thing for the country. The moment you apply a full lockdown, you're changing the nature of the disease. You're moving from a non-fatal disease to a fatal disease in the minds of people. And once you've done that, then to reverse that is going to take significant amount of time, and it's going to take a lot of effort. And he also said that, look, don't view the lockdown as a on-off switch. It's not going to be an on-off switch, because once you have moved into a lockdown, switching it off again, it's not going to be easy. It's going to be extremely complicated.